This comprehensive course is designed to equip you with the essential skills needed for mastering digital transformation and leading in the technology sector. The program is split into two main parts, each containing 10 modules with 10 lessons per module, offering a total of 20 in-depth modules that cover a wide range of topics. Part 1. Digital Transformation Essentials. Stanford Executive Technology Leadership Program. Module 1. Introduction to Digital Transformation. Understand the fundamentals and importance of digital transformation in today's business landscape. Module 2. Exploring Digital Transformation Opportunities. Learn how to identify and leverage potential digital transformation opportunities within your organization. Module 3. Data's Role in Digital Transformation. Discover how to harness the power of data to drive effective digital transformation strategies. Module 4. Implementing Digital Transformation. Master the strategies required for the successful execution of digital transformation initiatives. Module 5. Developing Digital Business Models. Shape business strategies with digital business models tailored for success. Module 6. AI in Business Applications. Learn how to leverage AI for business transformation, driving innovation and efficiency. Module 7. Navigating Technology Policies. Ensure compliance and security while navigating the complex world of technology policies. Module 8. Creating AI and Data Action Plans. Strategize the integration of AI and data into actionable business plans. Module 9. Leading AI and Digital Transformation. Champion the process of digital and AI-driven transformation within your organization. Module 10. Mastering Deep Learning. Dive deep into the world of neural networks and understand how to harness their power for business advantage. Part 2. Stanford Technology Leadership Program. Continued Module 1. Exploring Computer Vision and NLP. Understand the roles of computer vision and natural language processing, NLP, in business. Module 2. Implementing Reinforcement Learning. Learn how to integrate reinforcement learning techniques into business processes. Module 3. Crafting AI strategies. Develop effective AI strategies tailored for business success. Module 4. Leading AI-driven organizations. Foster leadership and governance in AI-driven businesses. Module 5. Understanding the FinTech ecosystem. Explore the landscape of financial technology and its implications for the future. Module 6. Economic Foundations of FinTech. Delve into the economic aspects and foundations of financial technology. Module 7. Managing FinTech Risks. Mitigate risks in the FinTech industry to ensure a stable and secure operational environment. Module 8. Implementing Ethical AI. Integrate ethics into AI development and deployment, ensuring responsible AI practices. Module 9. Navigating AI Policies. Understand and comply with AI regulations and policies to avoid legal pitfalls. Module 10. Capstone Project. Apply everything you've learned in a final digital transformation project, demonstrating your new skills. This program is designed for leaders in the tech field who want to drive organizational change through digital transformation. With a focus on both the technical and strategic aspects of leadership, this course offers valuable insights into emerging technologies like AI, data science, and fintech, along with the leadership skills necessary to implement these innovations effectively. Take your leadership skills to the next level